Here's something I'd like to show you. Cool little flower. Not exactly sure what it is though. Look at this. Look at the bright pink on that flower. That's really cool looking. Don't know what this is. Comes up wild, but it's beautiful. I might end up trying to save seed to that and then plant them over there by my pond, so these come up on my pond. I don't mind wild plants growing by the pond, and I like wild flower plants like this to come up there. Hopefully I can get them started there and they'll come up every year. But it's beautiful. If you know what this is, can anybody tell me what kind of flower that is? Very beautiful. I might even transplant that, dig that up and then put it by the pond. I don't want to wait for it to make seed, but it's very gorgeous looking plant. So if you know what it is, let me know. Like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.